Hello, Vanakkam, Namaste. This is mzbrotha. Welcome back to my channel with another video. I'm quite happy to see you guys again with another video. The climate is very good. It was raining yesterday. Today the weather looks good. It's cloudy, but it might rain at any time. I'm not sure. We have quite a big update. We are planning to go for a trip to Rajasthan. So for now, the plan is in the preliminary stage. What we are thinking is to drive from Jaipur to Longewala. In between Pokhran and Jaisalmer will be covered, and we'll be coming back to Jaipur. So I just wanted to service my bike and make some modifications for the tour. So for now, what I'm gonna do is today I just wanted to add some aux lights. I saw HJG, but I'm not sure how authentic and what are the models available. So first I'm gonna try with Maddog Alpha, and then later on if we have HJC, I will add them too, because I need one spread and a spotlight. This is the first modification I'm gonna do, and I have ordered some windscreen for this bike. I have already ordered, but it might take around 15 to 20 days to deliver. Since it's Saturday today, traffic is also kind of good. There are not much of traffic. There are quite a lot of modifications is in my pipeline. I need to change the tires first. I think this tire has been in my bike for almost 4 to 5 years now. It needs a replacement because there are no tread patterns in my front tire and back tire either also, and some electronics issues there that also needs to be rectified. So I'll be doing this over the period of this month, and maybe I'll take next month also. It's gonna be a slow progression, but I will do one by one. Chalo, see you guys in the shop. So this is the shop I came to. It's Bike and Biker. I see there is a hoarding showing that we have 20% offer. Let's see for what other products are they giving, and if I'm lucky, we'll fit the aux light today. Okay, finally it got fixed, and I think it looks sexy. I mean, my front of the bike got very big, I think now. It looks like an Harley Davidson, by the way. Let me turn it on. Yep, how it looks. And I know it's morning. I'll try to take it in the evening or in the night. The time is 3 in the morning, and it's not completely dark, but I'll take it. So this is my parking light. One is working and another one is not working. It's fine though. And this is my low beam. So currently this bike has 35 watts, not the standard 50 watts. It's 35 watts, and this is high beam. And let's turn on the my god, it's like completely bright. Nice. I'm super happy that it came really good. Finally I can drive in the dark. Let's drive around a bit. And I do have some what is that, they have the protective covers and as well as the yellow fog cover they gave. Let me try with that as well. Let's snap on the cover and see how it is. Okay, now one with yellow and another in white, and you have a brightness adjustment, and this is the max. Okay, let's drive around in some potholes. My god. Just look at the truck, how it is illuminating this entire truck. And absolutely stunning with the performance. See, all the potholes are clearly visible now. Let me just quickly turn off and just let me know guys if you can see the potholes. See, this is a night and day difference. That's it for today, and chalo, see you guys in another video. Until then, tata, bye bye, see you guys soon, ride safe, bye bye.